Well, I took it all apart and I soaked it in vinegar, both of these lights, and they come out pretty nice. Some of these, like this here, we'll have to, I guess, try and nickel plate this to make it nice and shiny. And then this, of course, has a crack right there. So I have to try and fix that. But otherwise, the rest of them actually turned out very nice. This one here, somebody tried to solder on a hook, I guess, to hook onto your hat or whatever. And then somebody had put a wire around here so it would hook on to the hat. I took the wire off and I'm going to see if I can clean this up and see if I can maybe solder on an original hook there somehow. Other than that, they're come out very nice. This needs a little straightening. This one I already had straightened up and this looks pretty good. So all I have to do is see if I could plate it somehow so it's really nice and shiny, or maybe just try polish it, I don't know. Anyways, that's the progress so far. There, I fixed that crack pretty good. I soldered it in and sanded it down. Now I'm going to try to get this big blot of solder off here, and then see what I could do to make a new hook on there. Well, I got to put a thing on here to hook onto to your helmet or your cap or whatever, and so I had to put a new piece of wire in here, and now I have to kind of shape it and bend it. Then maybe I gotta solder a hook onto here to make it more or less like this one. There, I made brand new hangers for this, soldered it all in. Now we'll clean it up again, polish it, put it back together.